If you're running a trade business, home improvement business, or just a service base in general, you should have an AI funnel set up that actually books jobs for you automatically and continuously gets leads and turns them into quotes, jobs, and conversions on autopilot. Okay, if you don't have that set up, you need to have something like this set up. Okay, like or similar, at least doing 50% of the process for you. I'm going to show you right now how we install this kind of acquisition system into your type of business so you can actually see how you find the traffic and you turn them into conversions all on autopilot for you. Okay, no lead chasing, no quote chasing, no generating leads. Okay, you should have a system that does that for you. Okay, without extra staff, heaps of ad spend or anything like that. So let me show you quickly what we normally set up for clients. Okay, we call it the 100K month AI job engine. This should obviously generate a lot more additional revenue for you while actually scaling your time back completely. Okay, we say averagely for our directors anywhere between 20 and 30 hours a week, okay, from operational chaos and admin time. So call the AI funnel. So you're going to see a lot of boxes and colors, but let me explain it real quick. Okay, over here, this is a customer journey flow. All right, so we're going to use if you're running ads or you're doing Google ads or SEO, whatever it is. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little three great ways to do it. So using really good AI video reels through meta ads are great. Obviously, Google ads are good. Okay, and AI images through meta ads with offers as well. And what you need to be doing is reactivating your current database, so old leads, stale leads, or old database of people that have been in your business for the last 2 years. Okay, you need to leverage these things. So when you drive your traffic, when your visitors are coming to your website, you need to have an opt-in page. What that means is you need to have a converting quote style page that is just going to literally turn that visitor into somebody that wants a quote or wants to inquire. Okay. From there, they need to go to a pre-qualification survey. So you might have, simple forms on your website, whatever it is. You need to create these surveys where it's going to pre-qualify them for you. Okay. And I'll tell you why in a second. So that is going to pre-qualify the lead for you. Okay, then they're going to go into a booking or job, a booking system. So they basically book a quote with the team. This needs to be connected with your calendars and your team. All right, that's going to automatically create the job in your system. You're probably using Jobber or ServiceMate or whatever the system is. It's all the same. Okay, that creates a job in the system. Your team is booked and notified. Okay, and then you should have a repeat client or referral automation. So every time a job is complete, okay, make sure they are getting info from you automatically to either book another job, refer a friend, or just use you in the future. Okay, in these phases as well. So if someone has come through as a lead and not gone through the survey, you need to have AI follow up within minutes to actually start talking to them to get them to the appointment booking stage or the quote booking stage. Okay, if they've gone through and they're pre-qualified and they're qualified for a job with you guys, okay, the AI needs to chase that up and book them into a job. Okay, you need people to chase them up, not people. AI will do this for you. Okay, if they have asked for a quote and you've sent off a quote and they haven't responded yet or haven't accepted it, you need AI to chase up those quotes for you as well. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, click the link in the bio. You can see we have a simple AI system you can do for $100 a week. Okay. So from here, like I said, if they opt in and they don't go through the pre-qualification survey, our AI agent will come in and talk to them, pre-qualify them, book the appointment for you so that they go through the same process. They will also get in the background a welcome email, case studies, results, and obviously a bit of a pitch on your offer and what you guys do in terms of getting them over the line. Because like I said, they're probably getting 5 to 10 quotes, over a time of the month or whatever it is. Okay, that then takes them through the same booking page. As you can see, what you want is just a streamlined client acquisition system that gets you booked quotes and booked jobs automatically for you 24/7, whether they do it at 6 in the morning or midnight or 1 a.m. or during the day. Okay, AI will book these calls for you, but you need your funnel to convert them, to pre-qualify them, and to get them booked every single time without you having to jump into one of these stages and see where everybody's at. Okay, so if you don't have a funnel like this set up, guys, let me know and I'll show you a free blueprint on how we would actually build it for your business specifically. Your business is different, but again, this is all the same concept, works for everybody. Okay, we've worked with over 200 service business owners. We've worked with multiple industries. Okay, this works every single time. Okay, you want a $100,000 a month job engine that's going to make you more money, it's going to save you time, and it's going to give you tools, okay, and kind of access to be able to convert way more leads, not worry where everybody is, stop chasing leads, stop chasing quotes, okay, at a good cost. So let me know if you want to do a free audit. Otherwise, use the system, replicate it. I'll put some links down the bottom so you can use the same tools as well.